What up, Puff Puff gang? What's good, everybody? Back again, y'all, with me some Subway. I got me a steak and cheese. I wanted a sub today. Woo! Let's see if it's more saving. Heck no. Oh, well, a little bit. I might move over. Yep, finna eat me some sub. But anyway, what's going on with everybody? How the Puff Puff gang doing? Hope everybody doing good. Good. I had went to the park earlier today to do a video and forgot my phone and stuff, y'all. So here I am at Subway with a steak and cheese. I had to leave Yaya at the house. You know how she is. Then they put, what the heck is that? Oh, that's somebody on their bike playing music. That stuff loud. That stuff be feeling like they right here. And they go, dang. My bad. Anyway, y'all, we got me a steak and cheese on wheat bread with some spinach, some onions, some cucumbers, jalapeno peppers, vinegar and oil, and some vinaigrette sauce and mustard and spinach. But anyway, I'm gonna say grace. Then I'm gonna start eating. Heavenly Father, thank you for the food I'm about to receive. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Wow, girl. My bad.
Making good sandwiches today.
Huh?
Sometimes that's what you halfway towards on the sandwich.
Oh, do they? Okay. Right. Well, they pretty good. Woo. Them jalapeno peppers is hot. Woo. Mm. That was good, girl. Man, I ain't had stuff waiting so long. Woo! Oh, that was good. Anyway, how y'all been doing? Hope y'all having a safe, blessed day. Woo! Having a safe, blessed day. I heard people saying that on my taco video, they said they don't like the way I was talking to my wife, and I don't know what nobody talking about, but it's all good. I don't know why people always ooh, excuse me. Always saying I'm doing something. That's the thing. Accuse me of something, huh? You ain't right unless I do. They said I was talking crazy about some taco sauce. I guess. When was I talking crazy to her about some taco sauce? For what? And Cindy would never let me talk any kind of way to her. If you knew Cindy, you would know that already too. If I can say something slick to her, she gonna say something slick to me. If the camera on or not. She does not let nobody talk slick to her. I know she don't let me talk slick to her. Well, I don't know what people talking about, but it is what it is. I gotta get ready to run back up in here and get something to go. That was good. But I want to do a video real quick, y'all. I had to. It was getting late. I was trying to do a video at the park and left my phone. So that was a no-go. Was trying to go to KFC and try their chicken sandwich. That was a no-go. We're lying too long over there, y'all. That's why I ain't go over there. And I ain't with minutes sitting in line. I know I come to Subway. Ooh, excuse me. I'm in and out. I ain't gotta wait too long to get my food. And I can go in Subway and stuff. I mean, I don't know if you can go in KFC. I don't think you can. You can't even go in Popeyes still. I don't know what they. The only thing they let you is through the drive-through, and that's it. You ain't coming through the drive-through, you ain't getting in certain restaurants. But you know, Subway ain't got a drive-through. Some Subways do though, but not this one. They do got some Subways with a drive-through. But I like to go in so I could tell them exactly what I want on my stuff. I gotta see it. What you're putting on my sandwich. But anyway, y'all, I ain't go keep y'all long. I got ready to run up in here. And order another sandwich. And shoot. I'm on my way back to the car. I'll probably doing a live today. I think I'm gonna still do it. I thought today was Friday. I was a day ahead. I don't know why I thought today was Friday. I was gonna get me some Captain D's like I always do. Well, I ain't had it in a while. I want me some Captain D's. I got a taste for it. I would have did it today, but I know I just had some fish. Just had some. Okay. No, Party Works. I thought that was a Chinese place down there. My bad, y'all. But anyway, y'all, like I said, I ain't gonna keep y'all. I might go back up in this store, and I ain't got enough minutes, so I'm gonna sit here and run my mouth for like another 2 minutes. Oh no, yeah, another 2 minutes, cause I'm at 12 for 2 minutes and some seconds. I'm at 12:50. I at least gotta get 15 in, at least, y'all. 15 and better. I'm gonna do some more. But we got some trips coming up to go to. I'm gonna do me some videos at some restaurants I want to try out. So I want to try a Trick Daddy restaurant. That's for sure. If we can, if it ain't too packed in there, cause I know my wife don't want to be around no crowd right now. Now if it's a lot of people in there anyway. Yep. Okay. But yeah, like I was saying, y'all, I guess I'm gonna get out of here. I'm trying to let the time run down. It's taking this old, slow, sweet time. But I hope y'all having a good, blessed day out there. We at the weekend already. They have played 3 episodes of that Wu-Tang. That was good too. I don't know why they brought 3 out. It's supposed to come out every Wednesday. Maybe that's just a one-time thing. They put 3 out at one time. I'm gonna see how they do it Wednesday. I think it's gonna be 1 from there on out. But yeah, if y'all ain't checked that out, go check it out. I'm telling y'all, it's good. It's a good series. And one of the dude that play on Book Power 3, he play on that too. I ain't noticed that until I was watching it again. And I noticed he was right there. I forgot his name in Power. But he the boss over there that dude Mama getting beef with. Dang. When Kane and Mama in beef with the dude. He the one that's robbed they spot and stuff. But yeah, he playing there too and stuff in that Wu-Tang saga. which is pretty good, like I said. But go check it out for yourself, y'all. I'm just saying, it's good to me. Don't mean you go like it. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to get out of here. Y'all have a safe, blessed day, and I'm going to catch y'all soon with another video. Y'all stay safe and blessed. Peace. Love y'all.